If bath time leaves you soaked and your dog's still covered in soap, you have to see this. Hi, I'm Ava Jane from Dachshund Station, and this dog shower attachment was kindly gifted to us to try. Let me show you how it works. The biggest feature for me was the 8-foot hose that it comes with. It's long enough to reach all those tricky spots under their belly, their paws, and of course their armpits without having to wrestle around the tub. The main sprayer has a thumb lever right here, and it lets you adjust the pressure on the fly so you can go from a gentle flow to a high pressure rinse to blast all that suds off of their fur. Plus, being able to click it on and off with one hand while I'm reaching for a dog or a towel is a total win for me. It took about 10 minutes to install, and it comes with its own brass diverter that stays on your shower arms, so you can switch between your human shower and your pet sprayer with just one click. Luckily, you don't have to be a plumber to install this, which is awesome. It just makes the whole process so much more efficient. We're getting a deeper clean, but we're spending a lot less time in the bathroom. I love this so much, and the pups do too. It just makes the whole process so much more efficient, and they're in and out of the bath in half the time. Give it a try, your pups will thank you. There's more good stuff waiting for you. Watch the next video, and I'll meet you there.